On February 7, 2023, Iran revealed Oghab-44, a massive underground airbase hidden deep in the mountains. Hidden deep within the mountains, Oghab-44 is built to withstand strikes and keep Iran's air power operational even under heavy attack. The facility is capable of housing fighter jets, drones, and precision-guided munitions, giving the IRGC a secure launch point shielded from satellites and enemy detection. The unveiling sent a clear message. Iran's strategy isn't just about missiles. It's about survivability, concealment, and surprise. By dispersing and hardening its air power underground, Tehran seeks to counter modern air campaigns and complicate adversary war plans. For analysts worldwide, Oghab-44 represents more than an airbase. It's a symbol of Iran's evolving defense doctrine, built not for show, but for endurance in a high-tech battlefield.